had a dismissed case. This happened 4 years ago. This guy got arrested or something. Before he even made it to court, they dismissed this case. He's like, by the way, Zach, I'm trying to, get a job and all of this. And so I'd like to get it sealed. So we filed this application and all of that. The judge denied it. And we were like, wait a second. Number one, the judge just went down the list and just literally checked every box. And one of the boxes that it checked said this person's eligible and this person should have it sealed because it's in the public interest. But then at the very bottom, the judge denied it and then specifically wrote in not in the public interest, which is the only reason a judge is allowed to deny something. I was like, wait a second. Number one, it's contradictory. Number two, it's a dismissed case. Like, how in the world could that ever be not in the public interest to get sealed? But we filed a motion to reconsider, called them every week because they refused to give us a hearing on this until I demanded this hearing. And I said, I want to hear from this judge why this is against the public interest. I filed an angry motion. This is not justice. Like, the justice system said dismiss this case. And so I wrote out this huge motion that basically said it's fundamentally a due process violation to deny this person for a dismissed case.
You went deep on it.
I called for weeks and weeks and weeks. It was like 3 months later, after the denial, we finally got a hearing for, again, another month or two down the road. This judge pulls up the file and all this and goes, yeah, counsel, I denied this. I don't think it's in the public interest. And I'm like, tell me how this is not a due process violation. He has a right to contest anything, but he's no longer allowed to contest it since it was dismissed. And then the judge goes, well, I don't even know what the underlying issue was. So let me get this straight. You denied something because you just didn't even know about it. Prosecutor, you tell us what initially even happened here. Basically, the prosecutor was like, yeah, we should not have charged this person with a crime. And so that's why when we did, before he even showed up to court, we dismissed it. The judge hearing that was also like, how do I know that this person's like rehabilitated and all of this stuff? And then just kept trying to like schedule a new court date for us. And I was like, no, we are solving this right here, right now.
Yeah, you've got prosecutor here.
Eventually the judge gets to this point of, I just need to know what your client is. I say, Judge, we're going to go in a 5-minute recess. I'm calling my client. I call him. I go, hey, remind me really quick. What's your job? What's your religion? What's your family life? What is this, this, and this? And then she goes, great. I can tell he's, a good person and this is in the public interest.